recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? This is Slim J Seattle, and behind the camera is who?
Isabel M.
Isabel M. And today we're working on a project. It's called a snowflake, but it might be kind of a flower. So here's what you do. You start with a piece of paper like this, a color paper. I'm using yellow because it's a nice and pretty color. Is this okay, Isabel M?
Yeah.
Okay. So first what you do is you make a fan, okay? So basically you fold it like that, and then you keep folding it, doing a fan.
So I'm gonna.
Hey guys, I'm back. We're still folding. We're just about done here. So here we go, and there we are. So now we have our fan. See? I'm just gonna hold it up for you. It looks like that when it's done. And so next, what we're gonna do, Isabel, next we're gonna make some cuts and slices, right?
Cut slices with some scissors.
Okay, we're gonna take our scissors and do some cuts and slices. I'm gonna do this.
And you get to do whatever design you want to do.
I'm gonna cut out some corners here like that. That. I'm just making lots of little cuts and slices here and there. Whoops! These little pieces of paper go flying, don't they? Uh-oh. Huh. Hey! Hey, Isabel, should I put this on?
No, you did not. Actually, yes.
Oh, okay. Isabel M wants me to put on my.
He's gonna look so.
Here.
Actually, those are mine, by the way.
They're Isabel M's, but she's letting me borrow these just for this video, I think. Okay, so we're still making cuts and things.
He looks so funny, guys.
Like cuts all over the place.
Maybe I should just cut out the antler, so you can just keep the fur.
We're still making cuts and things.
That's a lot.
Cuts.
There's like little cuttings. Oh, ugh. So, and then I made this one earlier. It's a bad one. I didn't film it. It's just like a weird thing.
Okay, I think that's enough cuts. So next, what do we do, Isabel? We secure the sides with Scotch tape. Okay, so I'm gonna fold.
So what we got here is that we got some Scotch tape as gift wrap tape because.
Okay, and then I'm gonna fold this. I'm gonna tape one end together. Are you watching? Are you getting this, Isabel M?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna tape this piece together. There we go.
And the antler.
I'm going to put another piece here so it doesn't just fall apart. I want to make sure it stays together. Okay, and then I'm going to stretch it out. Is that right, Isabel?
Yeah, stretch it.
Stretch it. And, ooh, look at that.
It's like more like a flower.
Yeah, so, okay, should I tape it again, Isabel M?
I think you should make a flower instead of a fan. Instead of a snowflake.
Okay, and then I'll just kind of open the snowflake up. A snowflake / flower, and
it's more like a flower.
There it is, guys. How do you like it? I think it looks.
Wait, no, we put it in your mouth so it looks like a ducky.
Like a ducky?
Like a duck mouth.
Oh, like a duck mouth. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video.
Bye.
Go ahead and like and subscribe. Bye bye.